Good morning. My name is Brewster. I'm originally from Coppers Cove, Texas, but I grew up in Kansas City, Missouri. I've been struggling to figure out what I'm going to do when I retire next August from the military. So when I came across an advertisement for Drone Command, it piqued my interest to look into it. Biggest takeaways from the event thus far is that just because I have no experience with drones doesn't mean I can't become successful. What I put into it is what I'm going to get out of it. Having an engineering background, I'm very much an out of the box thinker and I love to learn new things. What's been great about attending this event virtually is that it has really worked well with my schedule. Additionally, due to the way my unit is currently set up, I'm very well rehearsed in online conferences, online meetings, and hosting training events. So this event being online was easy to roll into. I will tell someone that is on the fence about attending the Drone Command live event that you only live once to do it and that you won't be disappointed. One of the most valuable lessons I have learned that I will be able to implement is that Drone Command has built this amazing network or community to help individuals succeed, whether you just want to do a small side hustle or build an empire. And I want to bring that to my business. If I had to describe Damon and Diego to someone who has never met them, I would say that from the little interaction that I have had with them has been very impressive, to say the least. They clearly have a true passion for what they do, and they embody that in their messaging. Additionally, they show that by handing out resources to make others successful. It just says a lot about who they are and their character.